Have you ever cooked a dish that looks vegetarian but tastes like a traditional non-veg curry? Today I'm going to share a very special recipe, an ancestral recipe, that is Ivy Gourd Stem Curry, Parambariya Kovaithandu Kulambu. This dish is made exactly like Attukal Paya or Attukal Kulambu, a famous mutton leg soup or leg curry from Tamil Nadu. The only difference is we are going to use ivy gourd stems in the place of mutton leg bones. You see, this ivy gourd is such a versatile vine. It is a plant. Every part of this vine is edible. The leaves, flowers, vegetables, fruits, stems, and even the roots. Earlier, I shared a video on ivy gourd leaves braise. I think it is Kovaikire Poriyal, and today it is all about stem curry. The texture of the ivy gourd stem is fibrous and rich and very similar to bone-based gravies, which makes it perfect for this recipe. Before we start the recipe, one small important detail. The size of the ivy gourd stem really matters. Always harvest medium thickness stems, not too thin, not too thick. Very thin stems turn mushy while cooking. A very thick stems can be too fibrous. A medium sized stem gives the perfect texture. That's why. Soft after boiling, yet firm enough to hold the gravy, just like mutton leg bones in paya or artikal curry. The first step, we clean and chop the ivy gourd stems, boil them separately with turmeric powder and a little salt. You can also add crushed garlic and ginger while boiling. This helps remove any raw smell and adds depth to the flavor. And now for the masala base. In a pan, we fry oil, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, mustard, cinnamon, cloves, cascus, anise seeds, and then onion, dry chilies, curry leaves, garlic and ginger paste, turmeric and masala powder. Fry everything until it becomes aromatic. Once done, grind this mixture into a smooth paste. Then comes the next step. Now we are going to heat a pan again for tadka and oil, mustard seeds, onions and curry leaves. Once sauteed well, add the ground masala paste. Cook until the oil separates and the raw smell disappears. And after that, we are going to add the boiled ivy gourd stems along with the water. Adjust salt, add salt a bit and let it simmer well and slow cook it so that the stems, the cooked stems will absorb the flavor and this masala. Once the aroma breaks through the kitchen, add coriander leaves and mix gently. And now we are going to switch off the flame. This ivy gourd stem curry tastes amazingly delicious with hot red rice or red idlis or dosa or kambu dosa, and that is bajra dosa. It's comforting and nourishing and it is very healthy, and it will definitely remind you of any traditional bone-based gravies, parambariya unavu, whatever it is, without using any meat. It is apt for Puratasi or Marhari month where we don't eat meat at all. If you love exploring forgotten vegetables, plant-based traditional cooking and ancestral recipes, do try this dish. Definitely you will love it, I promise you. And thank you for watching, and we are going to talk about more traditional and ancestral recipes in the upcoming videos. See you soon with another simple soulful recipe. Thank you for watching. Bye.